Okay, guys, so look, I am back with another update. Hopefully yesterday helped some of you to either make money or protect your money. So look, here we go. So what did we see yesterday and what was we talking about? Now, we originally said that, look, price was below the POC, which is our first bearish sign. And the second sign was it actually lost the value area low. Now, what we did anticipate and said from that position is that, it usually comes back up and retests the value area low, and that will act as some form of resistance. And it's actually doing that right now. So Bitcoin has got a decision to make right now on what it's going to do today in the US Open. It's a bullish sign would be that we break above the value area low, come back and retest, and then we can aim for the POC. The bearish sign would be that we just fall from here, and we form hopefully to around 60,000. Maximum I would like is about 58.8, and then we can target the value area low, and then we can target the POC. That's the lowest that I would want on Bitcoin to kind of go. If it starts going below 58.7, 58.5 region, for me, I would aim a lot lower, and that region could be let's go on to one day. Could be around this region that we spoke about yesterday, 53 to 50,000. I've got orders already scattered down there. So the two decisions today, very, very simple. We break above the value area low, and then we aim for the POC, which is about 63,000. If we lose that, our first area to get long is around 60,000 and 58.5, and we can target 61 to 62. Right now, for me, there's nothing really to look at on there. Anything else to add on there, and you can see on the lower time frames though, hopefully this chart doesn't confuse you too much, slightly more bullish signs on the lower time frame. So as you can see here, price has broke above the VWAP. Traditionally, if I'm looking on lower time frame scalps, I want price to be above the VWAP, which it is showing right now, which is a good sign. We've got a lot of volume and trap traders around here, so what essentially we'd want to see is for it to break above 61.4, then come back down and retest this region, and we can aim high to 63. So that's the first bullish sign on a lower time frame. And CVD is going up, so that means people are more market buying, and open interest starting to increase, not too much though. So right now we've got a decision to make. It's a bit tricky to decide to get into a trade. What I am hoping for today is that we have a concrete break above the value area low, either from here, so I would wait for this and I'd get in there and aim for the POC, or the optimal one for me would be a move down to this region where I've got limit orders set, and I can aim for this region. A nice easy invalidation for me is just below here, so my invalidation is just below 58,000. So very, very simple trade for me, because I've got an easy invalidation, and I can aim for a 3 to 4 risk to reward. Don't really want it falling in lower that for me, so I'm not going to aim for anything else. And then if that fails, I'm going to aim for limit orders below. There is another option that it just takes liquidity below this one at 56,000, but I would wait for a lower time frame breaker structure before I head in. So right now is a case of just waiting to see what happens in the US session. The first 30 to 45 minutes, is usually showing that it's giving a positive sign at the minute, and then it usually breaks down. So what we want to do is wait for the move, see which way it's going, and then make a decision from there. My two areas for me is I will long 61.6 when I've got a concrete break above, or I'm going to wait for 60,000 to long. Right now, here's a no-go zone for me, and I don't really fancy shorting here. So hope that helps, team, and speak soon.